The day has come, so in a few hours I'll be heading out to Glamis. I'm doing the final prep on the X3. I just picked it up yesterday, so I'm doing the final touches. Changed my whip lights to my dune lights. I usually run the 1-footers, but got the wheels installed, you can see. And then I'm gonna be doing an upgrade. It's not really an upgrade or performance part, but I have the clutch vent. Let's see, let me switch the camera. I have the clutch vent off, so I came across RPM on a forum. They mentioned their Shorty tube, their Shorty vent tube. So I thought I went ahead and purchased it. I had this one off already, but instead of installing it, this one came in. I just ordered it a few days ago and it got here pretty fast from RPM. I think it was about 50 bucks or something like that. But it's just a short tube that does the same thing that what this does, but it just gets out the way. And then I think I'm supposed to use the same hardware. And since I have an exhaust and stuff and my Packard manifold there, I thought it'd be really cool to install this one to kind of clear some space. But let me install it and I'll show it to you guys. It pretty much just goes as the old one, just here, and you reuse the same clamp, size 7mm, and we'll get it on there. So I did it on a hyperlapse. Pretty easy install. It's nothing crazy. I really thought it was a cool little upgrade. I mean, it doesn't help performance wise or anything, but the aesthetics, to clear up some space in there, I think it was well worth it. There we go. But yeah, I should be there this afternoon. Today's Wednesday, what, the 25th? So I'll be there till Sunday. I will be giving out some stickers if you spot me. I got some Go Time UTV stickers, so I'll post this video here shortly. It's a quick short video, just an upgrade or an update. The Can-Am, it's actually gonna be getting its first test drive in Glamis with the new MTS suspension. Luckily they're out there in case I need some tuning on them, but I think they got it right. They've had MTS, or they've been working on X3s for a while, so I'm sure they got the suspension down pretty good. But that's the X3. It has the Alba wheels, front and back, Rogues in the rear, 12 paddles, and then the SS360s in the front. I really like the way they hook, that's why I run them in the front. I do plan on shaving down a little bit, but probably till my next trip. It was really crunch time. Shout out to Cab Fab. They really got this thing done for me to be out there. And you guys already seen my upgrades, so can't wait to be out there. If you don't believe me that I haven't test ridden it, here's the shocks. So when I got them, I forgot what this is called, but they were up. So as soon as I test drive it, it's gonna push that down and set it in place. And it's like that on all four. There we go. The other thing is, I won't be able, I was gonna put my sway bar links, but when I was trying to, it turns out I need to drill out this hole here, and I couldn't find my stock ones. Otherwise I would have put them in. So I was planning on not running sway bar links, and this just forces me not to run any. So let's get it. Let's see how it runs. But yeah, catch me in Glamis. Hope to see you guys out there.